Good morning. We're from the group 306, and we are Sebastián Navarro Cavazos, Tenoch Lozano Guerrero, Fernanda Peña Pérez, Susan Anaí Arizpe Tafoya, Francisco González Moreno, and Luis Fernando Gutierrez. And today we are going to represent and explain each classification of the Animalia kingdom, as well as the divisions, subdivision, class, order, and families of the Animalia kingdom.
Animal kingdom. The animal kingdom is formed by organisms with nucleated cells. They consume other living beings. They have a high degree of complexity on tissues, forming organs to perform vital functions. They also reproduce sexually.
Porifera, a primitive invertebrate animal known as sponges that have a cellular grade of construction without true tissue or organ formation. Its body canals have chambers through which a current of water flows and passes through. It is divided in Exactinellida, Demospongiae, and Calcaria.
Cnidaria. Cnidaria are invertebrate animals that have a hollow digestive cavity opening to the outside by a single opening surrounded by neomastosis. In Cnidaria, we can find Hydrozoa, which classify as jellyfish and corals, Scyphosa, which are sea nettles, moon jellies, and jellyfish, Anthozoa, which are sea anemones, stony corals, and soft corals. And last, Cubosa, that has box jellyfish, Chironex flackeri.
Platyhelminths. The platyhelminths don't have body cavity other than the gut. This same opening takes in food and expels the waste. The cavity also contains flatworms to be flat. They must breed by diffusion, and no cell can be far from the outside.
Annelida are characterized by the possession of a body cavity, movable bristles, and a body divided into segments by transverse annulations. It is divided by Polychaeta, Oligochaeta, and Hirudinea.
Mollusca: any animal with a soft body, no spine, and usually covered with a hard exoskeleton, also known as a shell. Most of them live on water, but there are also some species of mollusca that can be found on land. An example of this is the common snail. There are believed to be around 100,000 species of mollusca.
Arthropoda. The distinguishing feature of arthropoda is the presence of a joint skeletal covering composed of sheathing bound to protein. This non-living exoskeleton is secreted by the underlying epidermis.
Chordata includes the animals that are vertebrates, sea squids, or lancelets. They are characterized by the presence of a dorsal or notochord cord. Their types are Urochordata, that includes the marine animals such as the sea squirts and the sea peaches, the Cephalochordata, that are cranias or amphioxus, which are small fish-like marine chordates, and lastly the Vertebrata or vertebrates, that are characterized by the presence of a spine, such as fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals.